Hello everyone, welcome to my slow English video. Today I am telling you some important things. If you are following these things, your English is better day by day. First, you have to dedicate it and determine. Second, then you are starting your speaking slowly, because if you are starting slowly, your pronunciation is good. After that, rapidly, you are trying to develop your speaking English. That is the right way to learning English. So, if you are think my video is really helpful for you, then follow my Facebook page or subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't be hesitate to speaking English, because English is the only one way to communicate worldwide people. So don't be late. Bye bye.